Hello everyone, this is Shantae from planmindfully.com, and today we are going to go over how to export stickers that you create out of Canva so that you can use them in your digital notebooks and also your digital planners. So let's get started. Before we begin, I would like to let you all know that you can actually get a 50% discount on your order by getting your positive mindset affirmation cards from planmindfully.com. And they're right here. You can download them. I have really nice affirmations, and there's 30, one for each day of the month. So they're all unique. You can print them and you can place them on your vision boards. You can place them at your desk, but they're a really good tool to have around because I use them daily and they work really well. Not to mention, you do get a free gift. So head on over to planmindfully.com so that you can get your printable affirmation cards today. All right, so now we're starting with a set of digital stickers that I had already created from a previous video, and I will leave the link to that in the description, but it's the one that I did for the Valentine's Day, and it actually has real good details on how to create your digital stickers. So now what we're going to do is we're going to export these stickers so that you can use them in your digital notebooks or in your digital planners. And these are really cute stickers. I made these for Valentine's Day, but they're so adorable. You can use them anytime. I love those hearts. They're just so cute. Okay, so I'm actually going to export this page because this is adorable. This is page 3. So what you do is from inside of Canva, you just click on share. Then you click on the button or link that says downloads. You click on that. Then you want these to be a transparent background. So you click on transparent background and then you choose the page that you want to export. In this case, I'm going to export page 3. Then we're going to click on done and then we click download. Then what that does is it downloads the sticker page to your computer, and then you can use it in your digital notebooks or in your digital planners. Okay everyone, so here is a digital notebook that I created, and I placed the stickers here in the digital notebook. So I'm going to click on the link here that says stickers, and keep in mind you can use this on your tablets if you have an iPad or if you have a Samsung tablet, or even if you have a Windows Surface device, you can use these digital notebooks there as well. So I'm going to just click on stickers so you can see how I placed it. Depending on whatever app you're using, you can crop the sticker out and then place it on a page within your digital notebook or within your digital planner. It all depends on where you place it. And I'll cover that in a future video. For now, and I want to thank you for watching and to remind you to visit planmindfully.com to get your positive mindset affirmation cards. And also remember to use that code to get the discount, and it's mindful50, and that gets you 50% off your order. So thank you for watching, and remember to be mindful. Until next time.